Welcome to lesson number 3.
In this lesson, you'll read and listen to 3 very interesting texts, learn useful vocabulary, and take a comprehension quiz at the end. Pay attention so you can answer all the questions correctly. Useful vocabulary.
Isolated. Isolated means alone, far away from others. Moisture. Moisture means water hidden inside something. Immense. Immense means very large or powerful. Fatal. Fatal means deadly. Essential. Essential means very important.
Get ready for the listening. Text number 1.
During a thunderstorm, lightning usually strikes the tallest object around. For this reason, standing near an isolated tree in an open field is incredibly dangerous. While lightning can hit any tree, oaks are struck far more often than others because of their deep roots and high moisture content. Pines and spruces are also frequent targets, while trees like birches are hit much less often. A single lightning bolt carries immense electricity and can be fatal, so finding proper shelter is always essential.
Now, get ready for the reading. Text number 1. Now, get ready for the questions. Listen to the questions and choose the correct option. The answers are given at the end.
Is it safe to hide under an isolated tree during a storm? Which trees are struck by lightning the most? Do you think a lightning strike is dangerous?
Get ready for the listening. Text number 2. Useful vocabulary.
Quirky. Quirky means strange. Rodents. Rodents means a small animal like a mouse. Unique. Unique means the only one of its kind. Replacement means an object used to take the place of something else.
Resemble means like someone or something.
American woodrats have a quirky habit of stealing shiny objects, much like thieving magpies. However, these little rodents have a unique rule. They always leave a replacement item behind. Once, a woodrat sneaked into a professor's room and took a pair of gold-rimmed glasses. In their place on the desk, the clever little animal left a small piece of tree bark.
Get ready for the reading. Text number 2. Now, get ready for the questions. Listen to the questions and choose the correct option. The answers are given at the end.
What did the rat leave behind instead of the glasses? Who did the woodrat steal the glasses from? Which animal do woodrats resemble because of their habit of stealing shiny things?
Get ready for the listening text number 3. Useful vocabulary.
Engineer means maker or designer. Construct means to make or build something.
Lodges, the dome-shaped homes that beavers build out of sticks and mud. Channels, narrow pathways filled with water, dug into the ground. Thrives, to grow vigorously, stay healthy, and do incredibly well.
The beaver is widely considered the ultimate master engineer of the animal kingdom. These busy creatures construct sturdy lodges to live in, dig winding channels, and build massive dams to create deep ponds. Wherever beavers set up camp, local wildlife thrives. The rivers become deeper, cleaner, and filled with life. Best of all, these hard-working builders are completely peaceful and never attack other animals.
Get ready for the reading text number 3. Now, get ready for the questions. Listen to the questions and choose the correct option. The answers are given at the end.
Which of the following do beavers not build? What is a beaver's home called? Do you think beavers could survive living in a dry desert?
Now, check your answers.